In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable dark mode on TikTok. You can simply switch from light to dark mode on TikTok in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these three lines right here. Then select Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, scroll down into the section of Content and Display, then select the third last option of Display. On this page, you can either choose light mode right here or tap here to select dark mode. You can also just enable this option on to match your TikTok appearance to your device system settings. This means that whenever your device is in light mode, your TikTok will also be in light mode, and when in dark mode, your TikTok will appear dark mode. That's how easy it is to add dark mode on your TikTok app. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.